Hi, I'm Gareth Lewis, Product Manager at Field Controls. Thank you for purchasing a Trio Pro unit. In this video, we'll be walking through the regular maintenance and any troubleshooting issues you may have. The unit will indicate on the surface when the filters need to be replaced as well as the lamp. The filter icon will light up every 3 months, reminding you to clean the pre-filter, and 6 months to replace the filters. The UVC light icon will light up every year, reminding you to replace all 4 UVC lights. Before removing your filters and lamps, make sure the unit is unplugged. When it's time to replace the filter and lamp, access the panels on both sides. To remove the side panel, hold the top, pull towards you, and remove the side panels. At the 3-month intervals, we recommend vacuuming your pre-filter screen to extend the life of your HEPA and carbon filter. To remove the screen, press down on the 2 tabs from the top and pull towards you. You now have access to your H13 HEPA filter and carbon filter. Pull the tab to remove the filter and discard your used filter. The next layer is your ProCell catalyst. To access the lights, remove your ProCell catalyst and do not discard, as this is a reusable product. Once you have access to the UVC lights, rotate the lights until you have access to the pins and pull outwards. Once you have your new light, take the new lamp, align the pins with the slots here, insert, and then rotate 90 degrees until the lamps are secure. Do that for all 4 lamps, 2 lamps on this side and 2 lamps on the other side. Install your ProCell catalyst with the tab facing outwards. Next, install your new HEPA and carbon filter with the HEPA facing outwards and the tabs facing outwards. Install. The next layer is your pre-filter screen. Align the 2 tabs on the bottom and then press the 2 tabs up at the top. And lastly, take your side panels with the 2 tabs on the bottom aligning with the 2 slots on the unit. Once you've replaced the filters and lamps, you can reset the icons. To reset the filter, press and hold the auto button for 5 seconds. You can reset the UVC indicator by pressing and holding the UVC shield or the UVC light icon on the control panel for 5 seconds. Now that you've set the unit up, you may face some issues that require some troubleshooting. If the unit doesn't power on, make sure that the plug on the back is installed correctly and the plug is installed to the wall. Another issue may be that the panels or the filters are not installed correctly. Check to make sure that the filters are securely fastened and the panels on both sides are. If your UVC light indicator is flashing, you either have to replace a lamp or there may be a lamp issue. Just a reminder, the filter icon will light up every 3 months to remind you to clean the pre-filter, every 6 months to replace the filters, and every year to replace all 4 UVC lights. If you just recently replaced the lamps, reset the icon by pressing and holding the UVC light icon on the control panel. If you haven't, check to see if the lamps are secure. Remove the side panels and the filters. Check to see the lamps are securely fastened, 2 on each side. If that doesn't solve the issue, you may require new lamps. We highly encourage you to keep to this maintenance schedule in replacing the filters and lamps to maintain optimal performance of your Trio Pro unit. Thank you again for purchasing your Trio Pro product from Field Controls. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team.